Oh man, this has got to be the best bit of kit I have had in such a long time. I love it. So this is the Insta360 Flow, the smartphone stabilizer, and it is a thing of beauty. And who doesn't love a transparent bit of casing? So you just stick this little magnet accessory on the back of your phone. Then using the laws of attraction, we just connect it together. If we just rotate this, there we go. Automatically, it has set it up for us. Love it. What is this? Oh my days. There's also a tripod. Amazing. And one thing I've missed, selfie stick. So importantly, it's a 3-axis gimbal, which gives you the power to keep your videos nice and stable. And on the gimbal itself, you've got these manual controls and you can rotate and tilt. And you can also flip between portrait and landscape on the phone and your front-facing camera. And you can even harness the power of AI to enable your always-on tracking. So as you can see, it tracks you as you move. So I'm going to stick a little link in my bio so you can check out the Insta360 Flow for yourself. It's unbelievable.